Everybody, Josh for CFT, and today we are going to talk about track bar installs on the good old Nissan Titan. Let it be Cummins or non, second gens. So, real simple. What you'll end up seeing is we have a factory precision hole right there, and we'll use that to line up to drill the hole there too. You do have to drill through both sides. That's how the front mounts work on both ends. Back mounts are really simple. We use factory shoes. So all you gotta do is just take the 4 U-bolts off on the factory shoes, drop your factory shoe off, put the new ones in that we put in place for you. Bolt those up. Real simple there. So needless to say, all you gotta do is you just gotta be careful on the driver's side. Driver's side, you have a fuel tank on the other side. And you got plenty of clearance, but not plenty of clearance. So just be careful not to run a drill bit into your fuel tank. Other than that, you got plenty of room to nut and bolt everything all on. And you can just install them. Real simple.